because I was told I cannot take care of a man because I was not raised in a family whereby there was a male figure, father figure. So my mother, asanruta hore monna o hlokomela jwang. Life is too short. You must always make sure that because now in those stages whereby I was off, I anger, man. I don't know from where. Anger. I always see everything negative. If somebody are prosper in life, because I feel like, okay, this person why and the answer was, it's not yet your time.
It's not yet your time.
And we need to learn to understand. For somebody who's sitting out there, going through that waiting season, okay, you need to wait. It doesn't make sense.
Dumelang Abusheni, hello from wherever you are watching us from. Welcome to Success Link, a podcast where we talk about anything and everything that affect humans as batho. So I'm your host, Letlhogonolo Chweni, and of course, each and every week I bring you an amazing guest, and I'm always excited because the guests that come here, they've got such amazing stories, such amazing journeys that we all gonna learn and be empowered about. But before we I introduce my guest, please don't just watch without subscribing. And also, even if you have subscribed, don't forget to like, to comment, and also to share so that the channel or the podcast can grow and we can have more courage and motivation to bring you more and more people. So this week, I have someone that I want to introduce, but I'm not going to introduce. She's going to introduce herself, but I'm telling you, this is going to be such an amazing conversation. She's been doaching me, ma'am. You've been doaching me for almost 2 years. You are supposed to be my first guest. Hi.
Hi, how are you? Long time, hello stranger. Yes. No, I wasn't, man. Yeah. Just that matatanyana here and there, but then I'm happy and glad that everything is resolved. It's staying behind. I'm able to move on with my life now. So I'm available anytime. You can call me. So whenever you told me, okay, come, okay, I'll be able to say, no hesitations, I'll be there.
And also what they say, right? When the time is right.
Exactly. And everything happens for a reason, eh?
Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, long time.
Long time. Yeah. A very long time.
Yes.
Because I remember 2 years before COVID and 2 years after COVID, at that time of my life, I was actually off. Off, whereby I didn't want to be in a situation whereby people would be asking questions, what's going on with your life? Because I was going through the most and I was trying to find myself and going around people in groups whereby you're going to engage and be mingling with other people. They'll be asking questions because they are concerned.
Yeah.
They know you, or bubbly, or happy, or all of a sudden you are a different person. So to them, it's going to be a shock. Lady family gathering, Go manyalong, I did close friends, go the birthday, okay. I was invited, but then I couldn't explain because of this. But by the time if it even tell or no, there was an emergency, I come up with an excuse. Even the funeral, close friends and close family members, I couldn't go because I was in a state whereby, you know what, I want to be away from people. Have you been in a situation whereby you want to find yourself?
Yeah, no, I know very well, hey?
You want to find yourself and you cannot go around explain yourself to everyone because but somehow yet okay, it's fine, but la complain and no Mamoloko attended it's fine. But then one day I know could a chance to explain, okay guys, I was going through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and but by lowering they really care when they see you in that state,
they will understand.
They get disturbed. It hurts them to say no, but then you and those words repeat for a very long time whereby even today like what were they actually meaning? Because they've been saying that for the past 10 years, ever since Kesaloko primary.
Yeah. And I think even our mothers, you know what, I think let's start from the beginning. I know we are taking long before seeing someone. When we get, you just want to let's introduce you to our guest, who you are, where you come from. Yeah, and then maybe, where you come from, the type of family you come from, siblings, parents. Then we'll then take it from there.
Okay, I'm a proud rural girl. I'm from Limpopo originally, Polokwane, in a place, small village, Mamoloko Molepo, and I was born. Where was I born?
Where were you born, ma'am?
I was born in Gauteng, Alexander, due to batswadi ba rena kere wa bona ba tshwara di-piece job and stuff.
Yeah.
And after my birth, straight to home, I was raised there up until I completed my university studies. And from there, 2016, I moved to Pretoria because of Miracle Nekitosi internship. And ha ke tsamaya gae to come this side. Ever since ke tsamaya gae 2016, ke tla this side. Ke tlogela a 2 months old.
Oh.
Ke tlogela a 2 months old, of which I feel like there's a gap that I still need to fill le yena, because o tlile ka nako e le goreng okay modimo o bula ka mo le ka mo I can say. But at that time ne le monyane na sa bone. But then as a mother you feel like I've missed a lot. But anyway, anything happens for a reason. Mamoloko, should I start with my personal?
We can. Bona, here we are talking. Bona, and I can sit and listen to you. Yes.
Mamoloko o kind-hearted. Mamoloko o rata batho. And ha ke rata batho, I've got friends from different areas of the world, if I may put it like that. Ke na le friends ba Mavenda, ke na le friend ba Matsonga, ke na le obviously ba Mapedi. Ke na le friend ba Batswana, ke na le friend ba Basotho. And I developed a new family, a group of people that are from Malawi. I have a friend who's a Zimbabwean. Ke na le business associates from Zimbabwe. I'm one person, I'm diverse. Because I was raised in a family whereby my mother ke motho le ring ha ono re ka tsena ka gae, no matter o mang, o jwang, o naleng, ha o nang, and walk out with an empty stomach. I was taught hore o amogela motho ka sa nang le sona ka se leng sona, because ke motheo wa botho. And because obviously by the time re go kereke ne ruta about those things. Kereke ya sione ne go ruta hore okay, motho a tlhomphiwa no matter the situation. That's why ba re thuta swana aba classify gore okay ba ba nang leng nang kae ba ba nang leng. So we grew up with that thing. So it's ke se ile semelo mo rena gore motho o tshwariwa jwang. Okay, Mamoloko, a gospel artist in a nutshell, but a gospel artist in what form? I like singing for home minister. And Mamoloko, a Sangoma.
Okay.
A very
We'll
interesting
get into that because yes.
Mamoloko is currently a mother of 2.
Okay.
I'm a mother boys. I wish we could swap, but then unfortunately.
What's up with you?
You?
She just gave me 2 boys.
Oh God.
I've got both, my sweetheart. But before we even go further, I'm offended.
By what now?
I've got friends about my baby. I've got friends about my what my friend. And then when did we stop being friends? Oh
God. No, okay, for argument's sake, I've got friends, of which one of my friends, her relationship and now I because of what we connected about. Now I keep you close to me because now when I something. I get Or by the time I go primary, ba re matching kai, or I kopana just because they were only be cho khatla ba re ko rata schomi. No. Conversation, friendship, the way it links on is through the conversations that we had.
that we
Okay,
had.
we sit in a taxi, rabulela, we connect about something. We have got something in common. Ewan, of which nalwena something in common. Barata same music. Number one, we like the same things, and I'm like, okay. People used to say snob. Okay, snob. What's that? Okay, fine. Marabara watana lo no little snob. Oh, okay, maybe we've got something in common. And I embraced that.
Yeah.
Because whatever I have in common with you, it doesn't matter. I don't care whatever they say. But then for me, that I love that person, whatever the comment was good or bad,
Yeah.
I next nataba because that's how I connected with her. Because they used to call us twins.
Yeah, I remember. They used to call us twins, Shem. And
They used to call us twins. So, no, not on
But we after that we started buying the shirt.
Not necessarily we were buying those things. Kinela something sa restaurant ha re tsena ka shopong first thing that we saw nerabana ntwe one yellow rare those different colors but then the problem got we were always looking for that one color. We all want to have that color.
Yeah.
I remember we had the skippers. My second is purple, second is pink, so we had to find the JC. Okay, JC purple is too dark, it's not. But then Haggis and Milan is complimenting. Fine. Otology say pink, otology say purple. Matorodi aparakaing. I remember Nernale this get really sure.
Black.
Yo. Really sure. Salabana. Some confidence. And that time I'm starting rara some matter. We don't care. But you never gonna feel I get through. Rea kurumu. Wana kirna kas feel. Hari tsoko mushovani. Ria MBF dining hall.
At some point we thought we were the musicians.
No, we thought we were who we are. And then we didn't want anyone to say anything about it because how could they well spilling? Well, now you you're proud of yourself.
Yeah.
Because this thing I feel like in routine hore ke be le confidence about myself. Ke ska ba le taba hore mang o reng kana ke sa ke leng sona se nna ke ipotswa ke sona when if you have your own opinion about my life Asham
yeah. And I think we know you said something about how you were raised by your mom, right? The spirit of giving. And I think that's a character that I also loved about you because you were a giver, man.
Even now, Mata,
you were a giver. Like, you were a giver, giving, just dishing out things. I remember at some point you had to downgrade
from what?
I think you don't. No. Here, listen to me. Okay, to our. This is not really an interview. This is us having a conversation,
it's
right?
Us catching up.
It's us catching up. Because if I'm going to put it as an interview, the viewers might want to see because But I loved what you said about how you were taught by your mom. Because when I came to university, me not having parents and my brother just hustling to make me there, your mom, mysteries. First year, get the fridge, get the microwave. I'm like, okay, this girl. Okay, But one thing that stood out for me, it's just how you and your mom were such givers. The next thing your mom, when she brings things to our room, she brings double of everything. When food get finished, you catch a taxi, you go shop in your mom's cupboard, and then you come back. But then, what makes me be interested, you did mention because of tumelo e be le mo go yona, re sa bolele dikereke ka maina gore be ba le rutile mola o so but I just want to know gore ka hae le hola ne as your mom, dad, siblings, how was it like? How was just that home setting? How was life?
Even now ne ke gona shara turante ke sna yona because I have that heart and I thank God for that because I believe that's my gift. And I was raised by my mother. My mother had tough love. my mother had tough love because my mother ebile motho le reng o just na batswadi a iketsetsa. So ne se motswadi o la go rata go spoila bana. And I remember go tsena diaparo tse di fashion eng my mother would say I'm not going to buy anything seeta sa go feta 200 rand. And that time it didn't make sense. At the back of my mind my teacher ran a child. My mother would save money for even if nka founa no ne gan jwale kare ke na le problem e serious ke tlhoko ya doctor. All of a sudden she has money. But then all along, no, I'm not child.
Yeah,
you know,
for serious things.
Yes. Yeah. So my mother ne se motswadi o la goreng o tlo shota anything about lo just go about anything. She tried by all means, though my mother le ena o na le what she went through about her life. She was not in a space whereby a ka kgona go phuthuloga freely a re bana ba ka nna bophelong ba ka go buile so because whenever she talks about her past relationship with Papa, so I can put it like that, there's nothing nice ha buang ka yona. So my mother would preach this thing ya gore I so wish and pray gore bana ba ka ba baninyana, specifically she mentioned ba baninyana gore o ka re ba ka rutega because my mother bana le ntho la gore a ke nyake gore o ke khwetse e le in a situation whereby o tlamele o ncenge monna because you cannot do it for yourself. And she once said, I'll only rest in peace. Motlha Modimo a decide go nja that like ke kgona go bona okay, o kgona go ikemela wena on your own. And from the story of growing up in a family whereby there's no father figure. You know,
also there was no father figure in the
house.
I
was once told those words. Gore, I don't mean to offend anyone, but that was a lesson. And a lesson who made me a woman that I am, a lesson and mafoko e ring some it was mafoko a botlhoko, but then when I was a mafoko a botlhoko, those stones that they were throwing you about wadibea, wadibea in a place whereby you couldn't use those stones to build a foundation. So I took those words like that because I was told I cannot take care of a man because I was not raised in a family whereby there was a male figure, father figure. So my mother, asan ruta gore monna o tlhokomela jwang. And I'm happy where I am. I'm someone's wife today because somebody saw that potential, how my mother raised me. I just wish banyana ba bangwe ka re nke ba feel molao o mme wa go o feeling, and I was like, oh my God. But to say ne le botlhoko to my mother to say, okay, mma ke nyaka eng a re ska lebala gore nna ka mo I'm your mother, I'm your father. O ska ke compare le bagotsi ba bana le both parents and both parents are working. Ga o tshware ke tlala ke nna, ga o batla apara ke nna, ga o nyakwa sekolong ke nna, everything ke nna. And le ena, I feel like if my mother at that time, after what she has been through, wabana counseling e botlhokwa. Wabana counseling e botlhokwa. Speaking up, it's important because my sister Lena, I feel like somehow unyanje that hurt. And sometimes una lo bolela mafoko yo Mamoloko, I just wabana sometimes the way advice ka gona advice as if you are my older sister. But that time my sister feta ka 13 years ko mogolo, and then ge ke mo fa di advice sometimes don't be too hard on yourself because when now complain or but then look at your life, what you have. It's someone's dream life.
Exactly.
It's someone's wish. Ke batho e le reng a ke tsore ke batho ba kae in your cycle ba ile ba wisha gore o kare nka tshwana le ena. They don't know what you're going through. But the best thing that you can do when you go to those people, hide botlhoko ba hao and show them love. Life is too short.
Too much, especially for the grudges and the
life is too short. You must always make sure that because now in my those stages whereby I was off, I don't know from where. Anger. I always see everything negative. If somebody are prosper in life, because I feel like okay, this person why and the answer was, it's not yet your time.
It's not yet your time.
And we need to learn to understand. For somebody who's sitting out there, going through that waiting season, okay, you need to wait. It doesn't make sense. Mara, I want sometimes to learn to be spiritually wise. I want to fast. Life ya fast, yeah. I don't want to lie. Aisha ne feel. At that time, Becky Duma. Yes, I understand it. Until I took my spiritual journey. Perhaps I would say, indeed, life is spiritual. Just that, but for us to be able to go through that, it's not easy, Sham. I don't want to lie. I don't want to lie. I won't even wish for my worst enemy. My worst enemy, if I have one. Well,
yeah, I always say, you hear people saying everyone has or something, you have enemies, people don't like. And like sometimes some people, we don't even know who are our enemies. Exactly. They disguise very well that you cannot see. So how you were raised, right? Like by your mom, she did her best, honestly. And me and you being the people that met at varsity, I'm being caught up by what you said about the waiting seasons. When you see people prospering, would you say that came after we left varsity? Was it because maybe certain things didn't go how you wanted them to go at the time that you wanted them to go? Or is it just generally in a lot of things?
Sometimes I'm too giving. I'm too giving. Emotionally, I'm giving, and I left with nothing. What's about a situation just that we cannot sugarcoat or quote the situation or because I don't want you to feel or I'm relating to a situation. But then no matter what about anything about like so verbally. Ne ka bolela le wena ka offer the advice. Ne was that advice why dira your idea. Ne we see that a lot.
Yeah, most of the time, and then someone build something out of what you said. Yes.
Utushe motho ne about your last 2 rand that you don't have. Your last 2 rand that you don't have. I saw a video on TikTok maabane ntate mongwe a reng wa bona go tlo bona re tlhalefile tla mo itse phofole ba reng ke motho le suka ka le beya mo wa le shia mo wa le tlogela mo o tlo le kry mo ka osane motho mme mo moshema ka osane ka se mo kry motho ka se mo tseba senaga a o tsikelo be le naba o ntse mo thusitse o ntse o bile a shoulder to cry on o riskile about anything. Mata batho ba ntse ba nyetjwe because of nna. Mata batho ba ntse ba na le malapa a emeng because of nna. And a ke ba dishe gore ke rile go ba thusha ka 1 2 3. No, it's a good thing that they prospered into their lives, but you're like, because I was serving my purpose. O bana go understand the purpose ya o tletse mo lefaseng. O ba le peace of mind. A o sana taba. O a tseba automate. And now that I'm into the spiritual life of being a Sangoma. Mata o tla mo nna. Ne a bona ra qoqa so o tla mo nna okay o gopela thusha but then ke a tseba gore go fetjwa ka monya gore but then still I'm going to help you even if ke tseba gore what are your intentions and then you come into my life with that that's why my circle right now it's very small not because ke khathile batho off no it's because I allowed the universe to take over. Because ga ke gopela the universe, I connect to the universe, I connect to my ancestors, I connect to my God, ke say everything all together ke beya mo gausu le nna. Ne automatically if I can sense and connect to a stone, ne a stone doesn't have a conscious, a tree doesn't have a conscious, but I can connect to those things. What more about a person who has a conscious? So I want it's going to be easy. And I want ne ke tlhola go bolela ko TikTok di Sangoma ko TikTok kra ba bana le maka ba bolela gore ya o fitla kae wa gona go re batho ne ba bolela ka wena. I thought that was a myth. ne ke potsa
Was it before you became a Sangoma?
lena le rata o nyaka di-comment like a lonya tša serious. Hey, that thing is real.
Ne?
You look around thinking you're crazy. How fitla in a situation before.
Yeah.
Ere ke fe scenario, example, but we plan to go on a trip, right? But then tlamehile ba go botse gore should something happen ko tsileng ba tlo fonela tlo gona ba thusa mara ba nya go tsamaya le wena. Yes, it's possible.
Ba umemile or ba do senya go tsamaya le wena mara they still need your help, or are there people
Ba feel like guilty.
are there people who are supposed to ba tsamaye le wena o ya ka wena ke ba thola goreng you are
Ba
close to a point
gapeletše.
ba ba gapeletse mara ke ra gore
ba
based
feel
on
like
the
guilty ya
relationship
gore
le nang le
by
yona.
4 ba plan a trip and re phela go fela re 5
Oh, le phela le 5 then by 4.
Re 5 by 4 but ba plan a trip ba le 4 ha ba mpotsa. So now I feel like guilty or ish. Gape re ka no tlhala ke bothata or ra short or re hloka something ko tsileng re tlo mo tlhoka. Or maybe ba ilonwa ba tlhoka motho le re tlo ba driver because wena o tla bo sober. O tla bo le Uber driver o le sober. So o fitla to that situation no go bolelwa, right? And then how fitla tlamele ba go botsa ba lebeletsana pele at the back of your mind
You already know.
that thing e atla. Okay, maybe o tshwara phone o disturb ke something o lebella phone and then that vision in or shoo. And then you look around, you laugh fully one. But I will not tumule ka magafi ya go ba reng. So you wanted to confirm if I know what's happening. You're conspiring about me or not. I'm like, no man, I just saw something in disturbing my phone. I won't tell you or ke bono or ke utlwe or ke. And then they say, okay, so I'm here. No, re ka. And then at the back of your mind, you laugh.
You laugh, of course. Or, oh, really, guys?
So about confirming until we quilling. No sarafi. Oh, okay. Which means these people called the so-called ancestors, the underground gang. Oh, okay. Nice to have them around.
Oh,
to have them very nice around.
Really? Okay.
Especially Muslim. How real?
Yeah. You know, when you speak about that, okay, so because I'll keep taking us back to where we come from, right? Because as Mamoloko, you are a brand, right?
Oh, I
there are
didn't know.
people who know you. You are a choir leader, a choir, so people know you. You have music that you had released there. There are people who still ask, where's Mamoloko? I'm like, she's in America. Really?
I wish I was.
Because like you say, you were off the radar at some point whereby your Facebook bedile quiet. So I want us to return life. I always say no page, experience dilo, right?
How old am I? I'm not old.
I want us to return Mamoloko, return teenage grade 12, varsity life, and then varsity life page face jeopardy.
Which is which?
Face jeopardy.
Yeah, first phase. Okay, first phase and second phase.
First phase and second phase.
Because actually,
and then now you're on the third phase.
the first phase was actually fading away.
Yeah, it was fading away.
Yeah.
Because it's interesting. You know why? Because some of my parents now. Remember now, parents we are getting into teenagers. We are mothers of teenagers, right? I want us to talk about that.
Are you a teenager already? Oh,
yeah, my mother of a teenager.
Oh, okay.
So
congratulations, by the way. You made it that far.
Not yet. We are still a year away, but
okay.
Yeah. So I want to take us the first phase. The first phase, Mamoloko, and how Mamoloko got into the second phase, and then the third phase and the third phase.
Okay.
Would you mention phase Mamoloko phase 1? What was happening?
Mamoloko phase 1. I shall never get stowed. You wouldn't believe. I killed stowed to Babishimane, and I was very stubborn. Woman batlang better. O tlhalosa mabashego ing mama go na le shata. And that initiative ntwela ora o tlo bina pina eo.
Yeah.
Ke tlo pheta hape o tlo lapa o tlo kgathala angala di mama ke ne le motho la ra kwata fetsa ska ba boledisha next se ke motlwaetse. She's my mother. And Shem, My sister once said, okay, go tlile jang gore wena o tlogele o nwa jwala. I'm like, but ba change wena ke go fa 2 years.
How old were you?
I was in varsity.
Yeah.
2011.
So tlogetse o nwa bjala o le ko varsity.
Ke tlo go botsa story se se mata.
Mata.
Okay, but I had a very disturbing situation from my grade 10, of which mama ka na lwalela okwa. But at that time, okay, fine, let me continue being me. But that thing eventually disturb. Okay, I got past a grade 10 sharp, honestly speaking. But then keep passage because, okay.
Yeah.
I went to grade 11. To grade 11, I remember my grade 11 class teacher, Mem Letswalo. Mem Letswalo ke mzalwane. And Mem Letswalo, she's one person, she could connect with me spiritually. And I Mem Malaj. They were my... Because Mem Letswalo ko cracking ya hai ke a pastor. And then also Mem Malaj cracking one. They would see through me or no, man, tell ma sharp. I said, tell more motsebang. Yes. Tell ma ke ngwana mo no thomo stodo. I wonder ka tsena ka class was khalimene Thelma. But then recently I can be mental. And then ha ba tlo mputsisa when they called me to the staff room. And they were all concerned because ne ke le motho tsena go staff room like ne ke le every teacher na ruta ne le motswadi. Like ne le ntshela gore wa ka mo tsone ke re mara mme mo tsebora. You know, Nekila that relationship. Even now with my boom, I still have that relationship. And that day, but okay, so Maruta Melina or Utlakarkitlot. Break if it take a say. Because Costa from go busy, Banawang what look at each other like go busy. And basically Mahukela Matomotomotomotomoela. Yakamo cracking, eco sentennas. So staff room. Sabona sa ma teacher elor ke gale ne sele sa admin block so nearly pleke enyan so be osno nga fitla ka dula ka kra space whereby I can cough out.
Okay, yeah, there was no that safety.
So I had to wait for skolo sejwe or even last period towards everybody asana table rotla ko staff room and I walked in and I had a heavy face that day and then ha ke fitla Mamoloko was like Thelma king. And my tears just fall. And on that day, I didn't say anything until they took me home. They went home, mama she can't do anything, she's helpless. And then I couldn't say anything anymore because the one situation okay, my mother was surprised. And then, okay, Mamoloko ne le teacher ko Magoka, Mamoloko ne ke sa mmoja. Ne, because I'm one person na le tlhono la krate go disturb like peace or happiness ya motho or ke mmotse disturbing news or ke mmotse matlhoko because they are very close. And I ke bona ba ile gore ba ko Limpopo and then some of their sisters ba Gauteng. So which means I can much so like she's going to be disturbed. Okay, sharp. And then they started praying about it. We had prayer sessions, 6 like cracking like Kabana, okay. I would say I don't know what God was trying to teach me at that time. Fine. Mama ka wa sharp wa Petra wela miracle because na go no fetsa matter performance as a miracle. Come grade 12. Well, grade 11, I had to pass because I've beginnerly supporting teachers that they were monitoring me, making sure that ke sharp. Though kilo stowed. Mara, when it comes to the next one, okay, fine. Grade 12, it was even worse because I still remember I did not celebrate my birthday. 2009 because my mother had to leave a week before my birthday. Until Kifecha Winter School. She came back in August.
Yes.
One.
Haibo, the whole schedule one.
Yes.
Your siblings, were they not there?
Bitaka na Gauteng. obviously wa bereka a ka se kgone ho tla hae. My sister o na le ngwana o monyane.
Oh.
Bonolo ne ile wa 2008. Therefore so ne ile o monyane. So
and she was already out of home, your sister.
Na shete tshule gae na shete dula seo. So ne ke nna ke le one. May, June, July, August. So Mama Orla was like, you know, I can't cope anymore. I can't cope anymore because I'm doing my matric. And I think that situation high ka 2007. I wasn't coping ko skolong. And that's when I started to drink. So people thought it's fine. I didn't care.
They just thought you're just being a naughty
person.
person.
Ne ba khona skolong ka maoto. Magoka ke house. Ne khona skolong ka maoto ke ngwala ka 2 chelete every week. Ke just captain or ke lo jama kunya I ko skolong. Shalang change ka weekend chelete ba mpileng yana beke. Ke buya ka Friday. Tlhobola uniform. Just school bag. Savannah.
So
ke lo tsena ka ntlong ka Friday. That week, the week it's only one. And then ke tlo tswa ka Monday for ya skolong. Was it normal? It wasn't normal. And but while ke photile bona like back then they don't know anything about this. But then what I believed in, I remember there was a time next to university. And you know hore na re phila ka dilo tse itseng gore kgone survive this and that. No, the 1, 2, 3. So that situation, yeah, mama ke epilepsy be fitla.
Now when you're at varsity now.
Mama ka mendusha chali 1. And I remember we lab ka uka September no, can I please go stay ko skolong until I finish writing ska buya mogae. So kadula skolong from September until ke fetsa ngwala matric. That's when I went back home. She's okay, but then
was she aware you started drinking?
No, I never went to chela at the back of her mind. Mamoloko was na ke adolescent bushadi, but like
she doesn't know.
No,
they never asked you.
And I remember the black community now we don't. How easy gore go dulele motswadi a go botsa ngwana I'm going through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But then how to la lo tsheng go ba le ruta ko skolong wa di bona, you can relate. So that was phase 1.
Yes. And varsity, of course, okay, mama, how at varsity.
And then that's when I realized, or I would say I'm spiritually gifted. And I can feel just that I don't understand which part or maraki but then I trusted whatever I said with my mouth and whatever I was touching with my hands. Because it was doing magic. And okay, fine. So if my mother's like this, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't need to call anyone or anything. Okay, fine, sharp. Fast forward, I failed first year.
You failed first year?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know.
I failed first year. I passed it because they 2 fail.
What was the reason? You know, do you think Kosineli Wima or no Sabale? Or what would you say now? The reason was for that.
I passed acting fail because the kid to get rat. It's making sense for me.
Yeah, the rest.
Yeah.
What were you so what were you studying and what do you think is the reason you failed the first year? And how many modules were you doing?
Negative 10 modules. Negative 5 modules.
What degree that you were doing?
I was doing Bachelor of Arts Media Studies. Media Studies and Communication. I remember telling well, got lesson communication. Bare the script, the highest, opastika 8. Hey, the lowest of them all, 8%. And I sat like this at the back of my mind. I'm like, that can be me. That can be me. Salabano kar ubal like tokoloshi. Mata. Yo. Imagine na. As much as you know me, kija 8% out of 100. Mata bixabali begin nalwel.
Okay, guys, I'm laughing because no sabali.
Next up, plug stratting, kill drumming,
Bash.
kill kai.
Bash. So me and Mamoloko is staying together.
Yo,
I'm going
you're
to
always
church.
complaining about maths.
I'm going to church. She's going to bash. I'm studying. She's sleeping.
Yo.
She cooks nice food though. Then we eat.
And then half it's also like verlo coming yako. When people knocks. Arwood.
Yeah.
So to me, to transition from high school education to varsity, it was not pap and place for me. And I cry lord the lecturer, my lecturer when I lord when I was or in caricature 80
Eish.
out of 100.
Did it hurt you though, or you were at a face in your life, but like,
Matenex not wrong.
but what is the reason? Because when a person goes to university, it's like, yeah, or for you, like I just want that thing, yeah, what was going on in your head
And
at the first year?
And I go watch. Now, one person that in most of the Jenny's Chakamopilong, I proved people wrong. I proved what I went wrong because none alone on a lowering high keep like Limanatingas pass. And surprisingly, I passed my matric with a bachelor's degree. That gave me a grant to go to university. They never thought, to me, that was an achievement because I proved you wrong. So that's why it's not a whether
you celebrate when
it was a celebration.
You've reached your target.
Was that during that time? University of the North. Sanakatef, Sisiao Zenekatef. Okay, fine. And surprisingly, Nelly Bitolaka and Soko Kuranting.
Okay, your name didn't come out of the newspaper.
So
you thought you failed matric?
No, because some of my classmates were not there. All of my classmates. It was that time barring mathematical interest. Na matter na negizana school or ke pass ke be somebody. Oban ke ska bantwela or ke categorize well valley. Like I was logic dilang ko high school don't put your di match ko guy. Mara here I am. I'm qualified. I'm doing the makajo. But then odlon judge or I was trying to by their religion studies. So I'm teaching people about their religion now. Because that time, okay, I was doing it. Now that I'm relating to it, like physically, like in real life, it makes sense.
Yeah.
I'm doing consumer studies. Kina mutho la hore ha ke apea for ka re tlamelo ga apea go jewe. There's that one day whereby
you put
I put my
you're not
emotions
cooking,
out.
you're preparing food. I get there's a difference between cooking and preparing food.
Doesn't apply to what's the difference between a job and a career. Where are you? Job and a career.
Me?
Yeah.
Personally?
Yeah.
Me, I have a job. I don't have a career.
See? So now there are those things that I need to do, get a job done.
Yeah, get the job done.
Done preparing a meal.
Yeah.
That's a career.
Yeah. So then now let's go to phase 2 Mamoloko.
Phase 2
when did phase 2 Mamoloko come?
Phase 2 Mamoloko, I think it told me like end of 2010. End of 2010 because steadily I was trying to find myself into this new life that I tapped in. I was so lost, but then I took it with all I had that time. When I'm a all of a sudden, opera's cat, that's what people say. And then I remember, if somebody starts to say something like that, a blessing is coming out of that. Because I could not prove her wrong. And Washalo say, if Olivella Manchola how are bulleting, untevella today, o feel okay if you tell more Marakela Harwabuleti because when I used to call facility because you didn't know what I was going through, you don't know what was happening in my life. Or Kifeji to some people it was
into the row. Okay, Ufeji Namilo Tama Kereke.
Ufeji Tama Kereke because it's a papata. Until not take it just okay, looking for my own reasons.
Exactly.
And I don't have to prove a point for an hour because of 1, 2, 3. Because we were told to have a secret. And when it comes to that one.
Yeah. So phase 2 Mamoloko is the one that was now a church girl.
A church girl, we Lauren December
Yes. When did you know you can sing? When did you know? I know you knew how to. It came Okay, when did you know you can sing? Because I knew that in phase 2, Mamoloko.
Even now, I can't say I can sing. What I can tell you is I love singing, and I'm singing out of my emotions.
You say you can't sing?
No, I can't sing.
Really?
Mata, obana my journey ya go opela. Obana chirinchin akile bali mata. I have elephant memory. I remember ke loko primary. Obana go botsa kaeng? I still remember when I had an interview with Winnie Mashaba after giving birth to Kumo. A few months later, I had an interview with Dumisa. I told her the same thing. And you know what she told me? A dynamite comes in a small package.
Exactly.
Na mata ne ke le ngwana la gore ke rata go opela. And somebody because voice ya ka a ke tsebore ke bogole or ke tlhago or ka mogoileng ka gona like e rough and it's deep. Like I can somebody would make a joke about it and but and I was like you know, like in the Mbora. And you know, like if whatever's going to come out of my mouth, but I don't want to say those kind of words. Mata ne ke rata ho opela ne ke rata ke la bana o rata ho opela ne go be di competitioning mata ba tla voice how if it go soprano obvious I fit to go alto voice how ke ntshi mata ba mpele bashimane I had to ask for a great trouser
or kgono fita ka hara
because voice ya ka ke 10 and o kopela 10 ke a balance. My mother didn't like it. But then naka semponche. And remember, my mother was a teacher in the same school.
Oh, go primary. Oh, this is wow.
That's why my mother didn't want to be in the same group because she didn't want to see what I'll be treated like. Because somehow batlo chabong khalemela or batlo chabong putor no to ki tshwereng asione because ba chaba mamaka. So my mother na ke pietse go gola but I'm like mama go operisha batho na le group ya operisha but they're doing so well. My mother can sing.
Oh, so this singing comes from your mother. I know you say you can't sing, but I say you can sing. So the sing comes from your mother.
My aunt, manyaka ba kgona opela. My late aunt. Ko gae go rata go opela. Go ne le ba ba kgona go opela ko gae from my mother's side.
Okay.
Go ne le ba ba kgonang go opela. Mara kopelo ko gae ke lerato.
Okay.
Because ke lerato because ke my grandmother and my grandfather never le kereke apostola, so obviously the singing thing.
Okay, yeah.
It's rooted. So now that was number 1. Number 2, ne go na le di group tse di ba di bitswang di sextets.
What?
The sextets.
What's that?
Le 6.
Oh.
So le 4 ba opelang soprano or le 3, they need to select 2. Le 4 ba opelang alto, they need to do 2.
Oh, okay.
Guess what? Final week ya competition. I ba to selector. Go na le mmemo mongwe o ile a fitla. A sa tsena ka monyako. A re Mamoloko out.
I want you to say you.
Oh. Ke final. We've been practicing. Asa bile selo. Asa bile se. And yo.
She.
A ra tsena ka monyako. A re Mamoloko out. O bona ka mo go ditang ka bona. Pelo ya ka.
Did she say why?
Obvious. When a voice a wife tori voice a tlamele tsena ka re di voice le re dia ya khupetšiwa gore ska ba ya kwala mashahidi cause kara crowd voice a utswa ile te ya kwa. So I'm surprised when you say I can sing. According to the music director, I can say. Mata, I love singing.
Remember, okay, I maybe singing if hapane, ona le idols singing, ona le singing ya healing. Ona listening. I'm sure everyone who was part of our choir, Monerere Opela Gona, will agree with me. Mamoloko can sing. I don't know if you know Mamoloko. Or guys, go search Mam's Molepo. Listen to her music and come back and comment. Right? Okay, you know what time it go fella. Before na fella.
Okay, let me take you back.
Yeah.
I had an interview Kotovela FM about that album.
The first or the second?
The very first
Yes.
one. And then Tata Mashamaita are ki rata se se tlang in you. Ne? Because I get about a few people no ka utswana. Rata se se tlang in you. Somebody commented. Ba phone. People are excited, happy, hey, because they know me.
Yes.
They grew up with me, but in school, okay, if you're going to wash short, I'm going to something that's short down. You know, that took me back to
that incident.
Teacher.
Mem
You know, your first attempt, surely you'll make mistakes.
Exactly.
But then, every day. Every day. The first puppy we are peeling the first time, the next come in 3 days.
Exactly.
Because there's first time for everything, and there's a reason why I record music for to get those. And I remember now,
and get the feel and the direction that you.
Yes. Yeah. Remember now, one person, whatever that you take, no matter it's a good comment or bad comment, I take the stone for
the foundation and the wall that you keep building.
Now I want to and compose for my own choir without anything. In a place whereby free and partner because he's like, Joe, you don't know what you're capable of. I'm like, when I can go show, but with a little voice, the voice of a fell, go better feel. Whether on 3 years or so bail, it will fason.
Really?
You'll make a magic to that song.
Really?
Because you are gifted spiritually.
That's
because when se feel to you out go se rehearse. Then after go studio and carry okay, when any hymn. After go studio and carry okay, hi man, you know what I call a pine so. It's a melon and leader. And he does that all the time.
When I was since we lead a copy.
Yeah. And what's the I can fast feel a shamogasaboy.
Don't go to how rata o dear Leshata Kawana. I like a wacky wakile tempted. O matla ufita di polo holo te filang katlasa meti. When Alpha and Omega.
Ish. What you just said now, I closed my eyes and looking at the situation in Pelo. Indeed, God is greater than everything. Because the powerful actually didn't come they are powerful. Ne? And matter just something. Even if I don't call and check up on you, it doesn't mean that I don't care. Or it doesn't mean that I lost that connection, that touch. Or Mara, look at where you come from. And look at where you are today. And tell me,
oh, what never
exactly. Because we are not your born dumb.
And I'm probably still dumb without God.
Exactly. So I hated Kabatwa Breka. I hate Kabatwa Breka ka 7 English sona. Because you have what you have. Na matter when I say something about the spiritual gene, because I've seen the worst.
Yeah.
I have seen the worst, and I don't serious. Well.
Ma kana roja serious, mom. Look, don't say how much serious.
No, like in a sense of
you find karu ya joking, more like say joking. Oh.
Gone letse dingwe tse re realize gore ge be di diragala be ke gona bona something ke ska bontšhisha e tle bua gape as if it's a flashback or ke bolela something ke robetše gantse that was a preparation or somebody who tla morabe so ne matter re be in a conversation re qoqa so like we chatting ke go botša something important in our chat o ska inaga. That's how I am spiritually.
Yeah, you know, one of the main reasons why I wanted to have a sit down with you, and I
took over.
I wish, I know, you are the guest, Bodla. So I think I think I'm still going to want to sit down because there's a lot that we didn't
there's a
touch
lot.
and our time is finished. But there's one thing that I want to say. They say give people flowers while they're still around.
Oh,
right?
yeah.
So for me, one of the reasons I wanted to sit down with me, I think I talk, like you say, we go na sabuleli, then we talk, and then we don't talk, and then we
And
talk.
the problem when we meet, we want to talk all together
When
at the
we
same time.
meet, but at least today I've been listening. Shem, because I'm
Most natural.
yeah. So, but what I want to say to you, I want to say thank you.
Pleasure's all mine.
When we got to university, you I didn't have a lot. And for me, you're only one person who fed me when I didn't have anything. Sometimes I wouldn't even have dieta. You'll borrow me. Like, Mata, wardrobe open. So I just want to say thank you. You're an amazing person. And music, please. Music and our producer but I think we're gonna need to have a sit down. But that's the main thing, that I just wanted to have a sit down with you and also to just get an opportunity to say to you.
Yeah, I think I'm ready now to go back to studio because I've got 5 songs that I wrote that are very close to my heart. And I'm going to do an EP.
Yeah.
So right now I'm still focusing on my chorus album. As soon as we finish with the album and I'm done with everything with that one, then it's then that I can focus on myself, because I believe tlamele ke fe bana bangwe chance, because maybe that chance na mo philong azanga ba le yona. So tlamele ke fe bana bangwe attention ya ka le chance so that they can shine. A go monate go bolela good things gore if it wasn't for that woman, nkabe ke sena 1 2 3. If it wasn't, because na to bana ba ka ba khwa ke motswadi le no, because I'm one person nka so busy ba le bile ke bana ke gona botsa re a bana ye o tsamang ye o tsela. No.
Yes. So before we close, so I'm just gonna close and you're gonna sing for us. My beautiful viewers, please don't forget to comment, to like, to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Mamoloko, please, let's close to your heart. Then, thank you for joining. So after you sing, I don't want to say anything. Bye-bye. Over to you, ma'am.
So left like when tell us about yourself over blank.
Or one of your songs, or a song that you love her.
Okay, I'll sing a hymn. Lona barata ngopela mohla pingwa Jesu pola tsetsinya tsela ye sangha Yesu Kimila o musisane o ang kamawatla le khoro e pati sane ikenwang kamatla.
Oh, thank you.